Suppose if you are in a Microsoft Excel page and if you want to change the position of this to below this ribbon, then there is a method. You must first click here. So if you click here, then you can see the option customize quick access toolbar. So this is the quick access toolbar, and if you want to change the position, here there is to below the ribbon, you must choose the show below ribbon option, show below the ribbon. So if you click this show below the ribbon, then you can see that now we have changed the position. So again, if you want to change back to the normal position, you must choose show above the ribbon, and I can see that it comes back in the normal position again. Of this video, I see for more videos, you can subscribe. Thank you.